everyone. Today we will see how these augmented reality games are into this education by using many companies like Cadbury's. So the children not only love chocolate and also playing the augmented reality games. So here this is a marker image or target sheet. So this target sheet has to be scanned. So you can download this target sheet and then you can load it in some other device and you can make a scan. So scan the target sheet. So the target sheet is with some other mobile phone.
Where are we going today?
Today we are going to Agra to see the Taj Mahal.
Oh!
Have you seen it? Okay, let me take you.
And this is for taking a photograph. And this is for
Hello friends, welcome to Agra. This is the
so you can
Taj Mahal.
options like you can actually stop the video.
Hello friends, welcome to Agra. This is the Taj Mahal.
And then we can, if you want to know any information,
Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. It is located in the city of Agra in northern India. A ruler named
play this game also. A small game which is available. If you want, you can just play and have an experience. And also we can sign up to explore more. Just give your name, mobile number and email. So these are the simple things. A simple OTP will be sent to register mobile ID.
Hi there. Welcome to Cadbury playpad.
There is a special QR code available with the chocolate, which is a small sheet. So if you can scan this QR code, so this is a gameplay. We have to selected jungle safari. We need to scan it. Scan this QR code. See, there is a parrot in my garden. It is very wonderful, right?